And so we love being able to provide that safe and soft option and having fun while doing it. Carpet cleaning doesn't have to be such a drag and doesn't have to be an inconvenience.
This is the Checka Pro Radio Show. Checka Pro Joe has assembled a team of pre-qualified home service contractors to bring you the latest in services, products, and techniques. Now, here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Checka Pro Joe.
I have the co-owner of Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning on the line with me. His name is Erik Olson. He owns the business with his wife. Erik, how are you?
Great, Joe. How are you?
Fantastic. It is so great to have you here on the program. I know you and your wife love what you do. Can you tell us your why? What gets you guys out of bed every day to do a great job for your customers in carpet cleaning?
That's a great question. And there's a lot of facets to that, but ultimately it's to provide people with a knock your socks off service experience. We love being able to be trusted to come into people's homes, their sanctuaries, and provide them with a cleaner and healthier living environment, to clean their carpets, their floors, whether hardwood, tile and grouts, and upholstery, and just to provide those immediate results because we can do it the same day. The same thing goes with carpet stretching or carpet repair. Like people say, I have this problem, and we're happy to say, well, we have an answer for that. We can guarantee it. We're going to come in with highly trained technicians that are background checked, smiling, happy, are just going to provide you with this phenomenal service. And the other thing that we love about being in this industry is the other professionals that we have come to know, whether that is our local competitors or whether that's other professionals across the country or in other parts of the world, where we go to training events, charity events, where we're giving back and cleaning Ronald McDonald houses in other parts of the country. And we get to know these other individuals, and we grow by networking with them, building a community of cleaners that give back. It is amazing the kind of individuals that we've come to know in this industry, and what a joy it is to work side by side with them, even with our own competitors, who some of them have become good friends of mine. It's nice to know that we can not be competitors, but more colleagues, and that we can provide a great and outstanding experience for the community, where we can provide a safer option and a convenient option to where people can get back to their lives, doing a small, simple thing that bring them a smile. It's amazing how clean carpets can make people so happy. And so we love being able to provide that safe and soft option and having fun while doing it. Carpet cleaning doesn't have to be such a drag and doesn't have to be an inconvenience, where most people kind of think of it that way, where, gosh, I have to pay so much money and I don't know if this chuck in a truck is going to show up, if he's put on deodorant or what he's going to look like, and what's his background like. But we like to be able to say, look, we're professionals. We're setting a new standard in the industry, and that's what we love to do, is providing that 5-star service to people that they may not have experienced with other carpet cleaners in the past.
Erik, it is so great to have you in the greater Boise area to help the homeowner with their carpet cleaning needs. Thank you so much, Erik. I appreciate your time today.
Thank you, Joe. It's a pleasure.
Checka Pro is your local source for pre-qualified contractors. Stay tuned for more of the Checka Pro Radio Show.